Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I'll discuss about remove and reinsert SIM card for fix call drops. Part 1. If your SIM card is inserted incorrectly, if your SIM card is inserted incorrectly, your phone may encounter problems. Your phone may encounter problems sending or receiving text messages. Sending or receiving text messages. And cellular calls. Cellular calls. A dirty or damaged SIM can also interrupt cell phone signals. Can also interrupt cell phone signals on your phone. Signals on your phone. Eject your SIM card. Eject your SIM card and gently wipe the metal contact and gently wipe the metal contact with a soft dry limit-free cloths. Limit-free clothes. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.